Hello everyone. Today I am presenting my water alarm. So first we're going to cover why do you need a water alarm. If you live in a colony, every morning you have to wake up and turn on the motor so the motor can transport the water into your water tank. So when the water comes in, it fills up. But when it fills up, the water starts to spill. To prevent that, I have made a water alarm when water starts to fill up and it reaches top. When it touches this metal plate, this buzzer starts to ring as you have seen. So this buzzer starts to ring because it is connected to a battery here, and when this metal plate attached to this is touches this, the circuit is completed. So it starts to ring.
Yeah, that's it.
So does anyone have any question?
How will we stop the water if the water is at the top?
It's not made to stop the water. It is made to um, tell you,
Alert.
alert you that the water is full.
Why would it come up? How would it come up?
It comes up because
Do you want to ask? Yes. Why would it come up? As in, why do you think it goes up?
because this is made of plastic. This is a bottle cap made of plastic, which is less dense than water, so it floats. And when it floats, it reaches up and touches this metal sheet right here.
So, are you saying anything which is less dense than liquid water will always float? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. So you could have used wood or something,
Yeah.
which whatever thing is okay less dense. Okay. ठीक है. Great. Fine. Any questions? किसी को पूछना? तुम्हें पूछना? Rishit?
Question.
So अगर ऐसा हो रहा है कि ये पूरा एकदम ब्रिम तक आ गया है टॉप तक and then the alarm is switched on इस तरह this goes off so don't you think it should be a little before it fills up completely the alarm it should buzz a little before it fills up completely so that
Yes. So this is metal plate. It is actually twisted like this. So it has some gap. So when it goes up, it touches. When the water is
a little
here,
below okay
yeah. So it has some gap,
do, do
but
you
not
do you
that
think
much.
do you think you can use the same design to cut off the water supply also automatically so the alarm will buzz that's fine and you will be notified so that you can switch off the water जो भी motor लगा है उससे but then water supply is also cuts off some wherever the water is coming from somehow it just stops coming in the water
Yes, I can do that.
right now what you have done is you are pouring the water inside but in usual that is not how it happens there is a pipe to the tank and it is filling up the tank right how would you do that to stop the water flow inside
Mm. I can also make a system when this goes up and it also powers another circuit which um,
closes
closes the other circuit.
inlet.
Yeah. So this is the water pump. It has circuit to battery.
अच्छा.
So I can somehow make another circuit which cuts it off.
So switching the alarm on will toggle the motor circuit to switch off.
Yeah. But because of that, the alarm will have no meaning.
Alarm will have no meaning.
Yeah. Because if the water is already stopped, you don't need the alarm. It's
Yeah,
useless.
you don't need
You
to
don't need
notify
to
the
be
user.
alerted.
Yeah, that's correct. So now what you do is on paper for now, design this where when the alarm buzzes, जब alarm बज रहा है तो the motor circuit gets switched off, gets disconnected, so that motor stops automatically. That would be actually a useful design. We can replace, we can remove alarm, or what you can do is maybe don't consider alarm, consider something which is coming up with the water, and once it reaches a point, the motor switches off automatically. That would be a fantastic thing. But then there is a little problem in that. जैसे ही हम टैंक से पानी निकालेंगे तो रिवर्स इफेक्ट होएगा, वो नीचे आएगा और मोटर चालू हो जाएगा। तो
तो
मोटर
सर वो अच्छा नहीं है।
मोटर हर थोड़ी देर में चालू हो जाएगा, जबकि मैं बार बार मोटर चालू नहीं देखना चाहूंगा ना एज ए यूजर। मैं चाहूंगा मेरा टैंक थोड़ा सफिशिएंटली खाली हो जाए फिर मैं मोटर चलाऊंगा। या तो व्हाट यू डू इज कि मोटर स्विचेस ऑन जब एक सर्टेन लेवल पे वाटर नीचे आ जाए, एंड इट स्विचेस ऑफ जब एक सर्टेन लेवल पे पूरा भर जाए। दैट वुड बी अ गुड डिजाइन, डोंट यू थिंक?
Sir,
Remind me of this. I'm gonna add it to the list of the projects. This thing, improvisation on this. याद दिलाना मुझे उसके सेशन में। Yeah, tell me. कर सकते हैं?
हाँ।
कर दो एक बार पेपर पे डिजाइन दिखाना है ना? कुछ पूछ रहे हो क्या?
नहीं।
ठीक है। और मैकेनिकली बंद कर सकते हैं क्या वो? जो जहाँ से पानी इनलेट है वाटर का, if you can close it mechanically without worrying about the motor, just close it mechanically so that water stops to come. Why I am saying that? हो सकता है कि 3-4 टैंक भर रहे हो साथ में, तो तुम एक टैंक के बेसिस पे मोटर को ऑफ नहीं कर सकते, बाकी टैंक खाली रह जाएंगे। यू गेट इट? हाँ। तो जो बाकी टैंक खाली रह जाते हैं, तो मैं क्या चाहूंगा, अगर 4-5 टैंक्स आर अटैच्ड टू द सेम मोटर एंड वाटर इज कमिंग इनटू दोस टैंक्स, एक टैंक अगर फिल हो गया है तो उसका इनलेट बंद हो जाना चाहिए, मोटर चालू रहनी चाहिए ताकि बाकी टैंक शुड फिल अप ना।
Yeah, so if that's the case, there are 3 tanks and they all come to a pump. And the pump takes the water. So, there can be a system which, when the water reaches here, so it's the same thing as this. When this reaches here, it can trigger, it can complete the circuit of a motor, which can then have um, uh, which can close this entry.
How will
Where-
it close? That's the point. Close कैसे?
So the motor, when the motor is like, mm,
I want it to be mechanical. जो मेरा question है, electrically तो fine. You can trigger any circuit electrically at a certain point. That is given. Mechanically I am saying because हमारे टैंक्स में एक्चुअली में मैकेनिकल एक लगा होता है, तुम्हारे इसमें भी होता है, द फ्लश होता है ना, जो द फ्लश इन द वॉशरूम उसमें भी होता है, इट्स मैकेनिकल।
so it can just this motor, when its arm spins, it can have a circular plate attached to it, and so this is the opening, and it is a circular plate attached. So when it comes like this, it covers the opening.
But it's still on electricity.
Yeah.
I'm saying mechanical. Oh, you're not getting that then. Mechanical means the action of water coming up
So
will close the wall without electricity.
okay, I get it.
Yeah. वो ऊपर आता जा रहा है पानी, उसी से वॉल धीरे धीरे बंद हो जाएगा अपने आप। You have to just place something smartly enough.
Yeah.
देखा है कभी टैंक वगैरह में ऐसा?
Okay, so I can make structure out of metal and attach to wood or something like that. So it's kept like this. When the water comes up, the wood floats and the structure goes like this, and this is it's like U-shaped structure like this. So it goes like this
and fits itself into
Yeah.
the inlet
yeah,
automatically.
yes,
That way, it just has to be placed properly.
yeah,
Placing properly
Yes.
होनी चाहिए.
sealed होना चाहिए और
So उसमें से जो पानी आ रहा है itself is the cause of closing itself.
yes.
ठीक है. अभी सेशन को मुझे याद दिलाना, we will improvise in that project list.
हाँ.
ठीक है. चलो. Anything else you want to add? Something?
No. Any questions? Yes.
Instead of the bottle cap, can we use any conductor?
No, because conductors are metal and metal doesn't float, but you can put like this. I've used this plastic and stick a metal cap on it, so metal sheet on it. So when the metal has a
दिखा दो ना यूं करके.
yeah.
समझ जाए.
So this is a cap.
वो ऊपर कैप है.
हाँ.
पास जाके देखो.
और इधर यहाँ पे एक मेटल प्लेट लगी हुई है. कैन सी दैट?
Yes.
हाँ. तो मेटल प्लेट पे करंट आ रहा है और जब ये ऊपर जाती है सर्किट कंप्लीट हो जाता है, क्योंकि मेटल प्लेट टच करती है इसको. प्लास्टिक सिर्फ इसकी फ्लोट होने के लिए.
Anything तने?
No.
सब क्वेश्चन तुम्हें समझ में आया? जो और इम्प्रोवाइजेशन अपन ने भी डिस्कस किया और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं वो अपन ने तब नहीं किए थे. मेरे आज ही दिमाग में.
Yes.
थैंक्स यार सोना, गुड जॉब.